Ricky here from Tech Talk. Today I want to talk to you about the new ringtones. You might have heard about these from the Apple event. So I'm running iOS 7 here, Gold Master Copy, and I'll be doing a video on how to do that. So in menu, you're going to go to Sounds. In Sounds, you're going to choose Ringtone. Ringtones, sorry, I do apologise. So you've got classic ones, and then these are the new ones. So there's that one. Oh. This one. Got some real different sort of tunes in it. What will leave that one? Got some nice different sort of music in. So one I'm using, Night Owl, sounds nice. This one sounds quite good as well, a bit funky. And then you've got all your classic ones like Van, Bark. So that's all different ringtones on iOS 7, and they'll be available to you soon. Actually comes out on the 18th of September, so remember always to comment, rate and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.